So, hi everybody, this is Parth from Team Braincell, and we've created a mental health solution that is How You Doing. I've created this solution with the help of my friends, that is Gaurav, Shubham, and Suchit. So, we came across this problem that around 264 million people around the globe suffer from depression, and 1 in 4 people in the world will be affected by mental or neurological disorders at some point in their lives. On searching even further, we came across that this is a huge problem. There are not many solutions pertaining to the problem. Thus, we stepped up and created the solution. So our solution is based out of two parts. That is, one is the web application, and the other one is the Flutter application. So giving an overview of the Flutter application with the help of the mockup, the UI we've created for the application. These are 6 high fidelity mockups which would inspire the developers to create the application. So coming to the prototype view of the same on Figma prototype feature. So this is the initial page as soon as the person enters, clicking on sign up, or this is the login page if the person is already registered on an application. As soon as the person enters our application, they would see the pen down page, so where they can choose how are they about their moods and how are they feeling, and they can select their moods with the associated colors, and they can write down notes whatever they might have related to that feeling. Coming to the home page, these are the resources one might refer if they're feeling sad. So like you can click on podcasts. So like we could provide them with relevant podcasts to get over their feeling of sadness or anger management or something like that. These are the tags one would see so that they find the most relevant solution for them. Coming to the chat app, we've created this in inspiration of friends, but that is not relevant because the people talking on this application would be talking anonymously, and hence they won't know who this other person is. But we connect them with the people who are feeling the same, who are going through the same feelings with them. This is the profile page. As soon as the person enters this page, they would see their heat map as of like a lot of developers use GitHub. So like a heat map of their feelings. So yellow means they're happy, green means they're sad, blue means they're neutral feeling, or red means they're angry. So this gives an overview of how they felt throughout the month. Thank you. And this is the current work we've done in the Flutter application, which includes the integration of the chat application as well. Now, explaining the sentiment analysis of which we do in our web application, Gaurav will come up.
This is the sentiment analysis web application we have worked on so far, and this is created using Flask server, and I have created it using Vader library, which stands for Balance Aware Dictionary for Sentiment Reasoning, and it's inbuilt library for Python, which detects the emotion based on the user textual data. And like I will just show you the working of this. This is a sad text written by my friend, and suppose I click on submit button, you can see it shows 12% positive. That is, the text is 88% negative. It shows that user is sad. And suppose I put happy text. And when I click on submit, you can see it shows 97% positive. That is, user is happy now. So this we have implemented currently using the Vader library. but in future, we are planned to implement it using recurrent neural networks so that we can improve its accuracy further.
Hello everyone, now I'll be sharing you the details about the web app. Here we have the overview of the web app. As you can see, this is a web app that we have built using Next.js framework that is built upon React. Now let's move further into it. Here, this shows the mini journal portion of the web app where you can input your personal emotions, how you are feeling that day. Suppose we are feeling very elated. I click this button and say I am very happy. So this reading will now be stored into the Firebase database and we can read it directly here. Pretty neat, night, right? Now we can show you the profile section. Here we have the profile section where we have replicated the heat map that are also visible in the GitHub platform. That's pretty cool. Don't you all think that? Here, the different colors represent the different emotions on that day, and see how I've inputted. I'm feeling very elated, so it shows green here, the nearest box. Hope you all like it.
So thank you guys. This was the overview of our sentiment analysis, our Flutter app, and the web application we've created. And this is the further progress we've made. This is the development process, as you can see, and these are the further improvements we can see in this. And thank you so much for taking. Thank you so much.